golden wood is and get hello. Our invitation was but slight. I said why let him if he will, and so I bid Sir Arthur right. His manners would not let him wait, lest we should think ourselves neglected. And so we saw him at our gate 3 days before he was expected. After a week, a month, a quarter, and day succeeding after day, says not a word of his departure, though not a soul would have him stay. I've said enough to make him blush, methinks, or else the devil's in. But he cares not for it a rush, nor for my life will take the hint. But you, my life, must let him know, in civil language, if he stays, how deep and foul the roads may grow, and that he may command the chase. Or you may say, my wife intends, though I should be exceeding proud, this winter to invite some friends. And sir, I know you hate a crowd. Or Mr. D, I should with joy beg you would here continue still. But we must go to Aganaclay, or Mr. Moore will take it ill. The house accounts are daily rising, so much estate to swell the bills. My dearest life, it is surprising how much he eats, how much he swills. His brace of puppies, how they stuff, and they must have 3 meals a day, yet never think they get enough. His horses to eat all our hay. Oh, if I could, how I would maul his tallow face and wainscot paws, his beetle brows and eyes of walls, and make him soon give up the cause. May I be every moment chid with skinny honey, snip and lead. Oh, that I could but once be rid of that insulting tyrant.